How to send USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. After you open the Binance app like this, go and copy the address of the USDT. So now go to Assets, go to Deposit, and search for USDT in this option. Search for USDT. So here is USDT. So from this option now, go and choose the network. Scroll to down and make sure to choose this, the open network. That's Ton network. Tap on OK. So now copy the address. After you copy the address of the USDT, now go back and open up now your Ton app. After you open the Tonkeeper, now go to this USDT, go to send. Now paste in the address that you copy in this option. After you paste in the address, now from this option it will ask you to type in the memo. Now go back to Binance. So from the deposit, now copy this memo under the address. Copy the memo. After you copy the memo like this, now go back to the Tonkeeper again and paste in the memo in this option. Tap and hold and paste in the memo. Now here is the memo. So now all you have to do, now go and specify the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 50 USDT. So now if I tap on this continue button, now it will send the USDT into my Binance account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.